Shouters and welcome. I just wanted to share with you that I've made my very first online teaching course. It's to make this lovely Highland cow head. Here's a slightly bigger one I made. They were very popular when I put them up. So I've made an online course. Let me just show you a little bit of what it will entail. So if you're looking to make your very own Highland cow head, just follow the link below in the description and it will lead you straight to my course. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. See you soon.